Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Ricky Russ, back with a quick video. Thank you so much for everybody watching my video. I truly appreciate it. And for those of you out there who don't know who I am, I go by Ricky Ross, Amazon Germany seller. I've been doing this for quite some time now. And I wanted to share a quick tip today on a deal. So basically another video on how to find products to sell on Amazon Germany. I was just surfing through Amazon and saw a deal, and I wanted to just share that information, and hopefully it helps somebody out there who's basically just trying to find deals. So this method, I think you would call the arbitrage method, which is not too far away from the wholesale method. So we're going to jump right into my computer, and I'm just going to show you, because we went shopping today and we saw some deals, and also we looked on the app of Lidl, and Lidl had some deals. So we were like, okay, let's see if we could take advantage of it and send something from Lidl straight to Amazon. So we'll jump into my computer and I'll share the gist. Thank you. Okay, guys. So basically we were just surfing and looking at just some deals on Amazon, and then we noticed that this palm olive, yes, the shower gel pack of 3 was actually on here for $26.99. So we figure, okay, if we can get this thing literally for €1.99, that's call it about €2. So and sell it at $26.99 for a 3-pack, then it's definitely worth the effort. So we noticed, although this listing is not the best of listings, but still, like I said earlier before in one of my videos, we're just going to test it out with about maybe 24 pieces if we can get that from the store, just to test the market out, because if we're basically getting this at €1.99, so if I do the math here, I'll call it €2 times €2 times 3, that would be €6. Okay, so if I'm getting it at €6 and selling it at least minimum 26, that's still a good profit that one could get from this. I'd say maybe about 25-30% profit that one could get on this after Amazon fees and everything, because I noticed that there in the list of sellers, there were 2 sellers, and none of them were doing FBA, which means none of them was doing fulfillment by Amazon. They were just doing fulfillment by merchant. So I would ship this into Amazon and have Amazon do the customer service, and of course do the shipping themselves. So that's what we saw with this deal. So we're gonna go into the Lidl app and see if we find it. So we show you guys what next to do. First, so we went into the Lidl app, and then we scrolled down to look at what coupons they had, and we were seeing quite a lot of coupons which they had. And then we were just surfing, just looking through, okay, what's good, what do we think can go good on Amazon, and then what's already selling also on Amazon. So we came across this product right here, the palm olive, what you call them, douche. In German they call them douche gel. Okay. So basically, it's what you call it, bathing soap. So we came across, and then we saw that they had the 37% coupon off, and it was only good for today. So we only had till the end of today to grab it. So we decided to go ahead with it. So we grabbed on the Lidl app, we grabbed the 37% coupon, we activated it, And once you activate that coupon, you can then take your phone with you to Lidl and buy. I think you're allowed to buy only up to 24, and this is the code that you need to use to scan and then purchase it and get that discount. So that's what we did. So we literally went to Lidl, of course, with the kids. And as you can see, it's €1.99 with the Lidl app. So we decided to go ahead and pick them up. And we only could get 12 units. That's all they had in this little store, which is close to where we live. We was hoping that they would have at least 24 pieces, but unfortunately they didn't have it. That's okay. At least you could test it out with what you can grab, and that's what we grabbed. And that's us picking it up. And then after, we just went to the register, the cash register, and with the little app, you can just simply scan the app, and it takes the discount percentage off the purchase price. So that's pretty much it. It's real simple. Just be on the lookout for deals. There are so many different deals one can find if one diligently looks. Yeah, guys, so that was just a quick one. I just wanted to share that information. So it's just a matter of just being on the lookout for deals. Whenever you're in a store, just see if, or maybe you have an app that you can use to get deals. Just be on the lookout, because there are lots of deals out there, thousands and thousands of deals. You just have to be on the lookout. See if they're already selling on Amazon, and then see if they're already in the stores. One may ask, well, why would anyone want to buy this from Amazon? Lots of reasons. Convenience, some customers may not have a Lidl in their area. Some customers may not be able to walk to the store. So some customers just love to receive packages. There are lots and lots of reasons why people would shop on Amazon. And because you're giving value, so that's the other reason why they would buy it. Okay, so I would just say it's quite easy to find the deals if you look diligently, and just be patient with it, and just keep searching. It's out there. So thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in my mentorship program, please check out the email in the description down below. And also, I probably will be giving out a list of some deals, other deals that we found or that we're finding. We'll give a link to that list. So if you're someone that's looking maybe for product ideas, we'll have a list of product ideas in the description down below also, guys. All right, thank you so much for watching. It's your boy Ricky Russ. I'm out.